Hey, my people, it don't happen again, oh, it don't burst, oh, it don't set. No be small matter, oh, make una carry una joko, take sit down, come listen to this one. Only my ear no fit hear this one finish. I know say most of una know this man, so one they see for years, so popular that the G of Omenala Eziokwu, aka Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor. My people not be smart. He don't set again, he don't bust. This one, so my people, hey, not be waiting. I go fit use my mouth, then narrate finish show. As I cross this one, I say, what? Like, seriously? Hey, no be small matter. Una no Mathias Ezeaku. He know the too much they like African pastor. He they use matter, they tease them one by one. Una no. He said that before one night, say they be scammer, say na different thing. Now that they see for their hand, say everything when they do for inside the church, say na RNG, not be waiting. I go use my mouth, then narrate finish. On I don't watch most of it video. Say he not too much like African pastor, he they give them buzz. My people, as I cross this one, I was choctolized. May not come be say I too talk. Make una regade.
99.9% of black children are facing sky. Ogeruwa mbi dabike. Ogeruwa mbi jebaya. Onye nweme, Jesus. Chimaro o iwala. Odumeje durumu naba. Odumanana durumu jebe. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Holy Ghost fire. Christianity creates enmity and splitting in the midst of black race. Black man came into this world to fight a war, not to be creative. Christianity have made every average black child today to be a prayer warrior, to be a warrior. But when the war comes out, bursts out, they will be the one to be used as pepper soup. Just as it's happening at our church. They were more like animals at our church. Just like as it's happening in my own community. Fulani kills 146 people. Just as it's happened at during this flood. Flood of 615 Nigerians. Jesus disappeared. Flood began. Peter Jesus is here. Jesus is Bugogi. In one ambulance. In one future. In one lolo. In one ego. Oh, no problem. In one go kidnap and chogi. You can another from US. If you go London. Slave. London slave. And you slave. Slave, carry slaves. Now, son, just slave. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, slave. No slave. International beggars, street. International street women and men, black race. That has no future. Omaka street, Ramona street. Go to London, see them. They are full their street. Or you go back to where you come from. They are afraid of coming back. All they know is Jesus and Bible. Jesus and Bible. That is what a black man knows how to do. That is the only thing a black man does. Have Nigeria Catholic Church and Anglican stormed the street of Nigerians? Over 17 million Christians. Have they stormed, shut everywhere down in order to attract the attention of international community to come and seize them from their criminal politicians? No, they cannot do it because Nigeria, can't you see our brother candidate? Those candidates now that came out for presidential election. Can't you see how they are moving from one bishop to pastor? From one pastor, every 4 years, a young graduate in Pama, only a pastor. Apunaka for the Nabana Dubai. Apunaka, you're supposed to be a queen. The president of Libya, Muammar Gaddafi, made his children to become queens and prince. The same white people who gave you Bible, they came and came. They slaughtered him. They slaughtered him. A country whereby if you want to marry, government will give you 4 million naira Nigeria worth money. Money that worth up to 4.something million naira in Nigeria currency. Now, a Nigerian man who want to marry is on a J wave you on 3 times. He's pricing cow 3 times. for 4 times. The white man people are seeing your land as a virgin land. And very soon they will come and take it if you don't wake up. These are the city of the people that gave you Bible. This is someone's village. This is someone's village. Aboki na go Bible e nwere okonepa. Make a hit in a boom. This is someone's village. That is why I say I can never take all of you Christians to hospital. Nothing. Come here and order. Come on, Bezak. How can I take you to a hospital? Why man cannot help you? Man cannot help you. It's only Jesus that can help you. Who are me to speak if Jesus have not spoken? So why do you want me to take you to the hospital? Who am I to speak? Why Jesus have not spoken? They made you to believe that once you make money, Jesus will bless you. So other people need to come to Zion to adoration for Jesus to bless them. That is how you are being deceived. Our ancestors in Omenala. So I am telling you today that your land is a virgin land. White people are seeing it as a virgin land. And very soon they will come and take over. Jesus, you celebrate your downfall. Then I want to buy in your head. I just now born. Oh, look on your taxi in London. A bruise and born or so to about 2 weeks. The Kuku Nigeria call on one. A jabba father. Father Nego Bia. Oh, yeah, I know yellow. No, was a Mbone mego to akona wa no buri go no iyo na ebu o mere no otu a ogbugbu o mo otu a oke go gi into 2 the ogbugo gi ke pass gi nwa reverend father na no no gi nwa bishop una amare na Christianity bụ okwu asị na onwere niti na edego na Bible megbo na Igbo ma still na ejidu ụmụnne unu na ani Igbo ga-achụ n'ọsọ shall never be with you. Shall never. It shall never be with every one of you. Doing this to our people. Starving our people for over 100 years. Making us to reason from our hand. Giving a graduate hope that the word of God said that job opportunity is his or her portion. In a country whereby phone charger is not being produced. Common phone charger. Enu megide. Ana megide. Yes, because you have what the world uses to create prosperity and success in their land. Follow me, they go. Black, follow, they go, they go. Follow Igbo. Black, follow Igbo, they go, they go. Follow, they go. Mumu, Mumu, look at that. Nana, all your fathers